delivery SMS account is only a few steps away. But once you've set this up, you'll find this tool very easy to use and very rewarding. Now, once you've set up your account and you've purchased your credits, you're well on your way in using delivery SMS. Now, what you need to do is to set up the templates that you want to use if you want to use any templates. You have two choices. You have the default templates and you have the custom templates. When you select default templates, these are the templates which are usually used when you want to send out automated messages when autosync is switched on in the sync settings. Here you'll be able to see generic messages which have been composed and which will be sent out and replaced with the corresponding information according to different messages sent out. You'll see the name of the customer appear here. You'll see the source appear here, the order reference and the postal service name, which will all replace the real details which are being sent out to the customer. To create your own template, you can come to custom templates. Over here, you'll be able to see a template that's been created previously. You'll be able to see the template name, the description, which is the actual message, and you'll be able to see if the status is active or not. To create a new template, you can click in this box here. You can choose the template name, and you can type in the message which you want to see. Your customers will receive this message that you've typed in. And you can also select the status, whether you want it to be active or inactive. If a template is selected to be inactive in its status, that means you wouldn't be able to select it to be used to be sent out in an SMS campaign. But once you've switched the status to be active, then it makes this particular template available for selection when sending out an SMS campaign. Once you're happy with your custom template, hit save, and this will save to your existing list of templates. If you wanted to edit the template you've created, you can click on the grey box here which says edit, and if you wanted to remove it, you can click on the red box here which says delete. Custom templates give an even more personalized experience when creating messages to send to your customers to give an even more customized experience. Once you've got your templates all set up, the next step is to send out the SMS messages. You can do this by clicking on Send SMS. There are a few options here, but we are going to take a look at the first one. You can click on Send Single or Bulk SMS. By clicking on Send Single/Bulk SMS, you are given a variety of ways to send messages to your customers. These will be one-off messages. If you want to send a message by phone number, you can enter in the phone number that you want to send a message to. If you want to be able to send single or bulk SMS messages, there's a variety of ways you can achieve this. If you want to send a single SMS message, providing you have the mobile number, you can do this in this section. Please note, you have to enter the number in without a 0 and without the +44, as this has already been done for you. So for example, if the mobile number is 07123 45644, you just have to enter in 7123 45644, as the +44, which substitutes 0, has already been entered in for you. So in this case, if I'm going to send a single message to one person, I'm just going to enter in the number, omitting the 0. And I'm just going to put in the customer's name. and I can just compose my message here, and I can hit send once I'm completed. Please note, once you reach 160 characters and go over it, you will see that the total SMS would have been turned into 2 rather than 1. So to make the most of this campaign, please ensure that you get your message in 160 characters or less. Another way to send messages to customers is by clicking on Send to Existing Customers. By clicking this option, all of your existing customers in Limworks will receive the single text message. You can choose to compose a message here, as before, or you can select a template by clicking this box here. And once again, once you do go over the SMS limits for one message, it will count as 2 messages rather than 1. The other option you have is to send message via a CSV file that you want to upload. You can click here to download the format which you need to send the SMS messages, and make sure you upload this file here once you've completed. Once you've uploaded the file, once again, you'll be able to compose a message here as normal, or you'll be able to select a template previously created to be used for the message. One way to send out SMS messages is based on source. By doing this, you can select all the sources that you want to send the SMS to, and once you've selected all the sources, you can hit search, and on the bottom you will see a search result for all the customers that are linked to that particular source, which you can select to send the messages to. Also, what you can do is, if you take this box here, a prefix will be set up for you in the message. The prefix what you get is dear, and you can type in the rest of the message in the box. Where you type cust name with the brackets as seen here, the actual customer's name will be replaced with a name column value of file while sending SMS. So the customer's name will effectively replace this words and the bracket here. Once again, you can type in your message, and if you go over 160 characters, it will count as 2 text messages rather than 1. Send multiple messages to different customers at the same time. Import SMS is the easiest way to do this in delivery SMS. With the import SMS tool, you can pre-make messages and import them into your delivery SMS tool, saving even more time and taking even more control of the customization customer experience. If you click here, you'll be able to download the file format which is required for this. When you download the file format, it will look similar to this, where you'll be able to see the phone number, the name, and the message in 3 different columns, and you can complete this accordingly. Please note, when you are completing this if you do tick this box in, where you use the prefix dear, cust name, what will happen is that the dear would appear by default in every message, and where you've put in cust name in brackets, the customer's name would replace this. To upload a CSV format, once you're done, you just click the upload button here, select the format, and you're ready to go. Once you've sent out campaigns in the past, you don't want to waste time having to start them all over again. So the resend process orders SMS tool makes this really easy for you to do. You can enter in the customer name, or you can enter in the phone number, And you can even go through the dates on which you've sent out the various campaigns. And what you can do is that you can just bring up the text message that you want to send. So you can just type it in here, and you will be able to do a search for it, and you'll be able to see the SMSs appear. Once you've found a record of a text message that you want to resend to a customer, you can just hit send here.